Oh, well, hello there, YouTube. Come on in, come on in. Welcome to my smart home. Any product I'm gonna point out in this video will be in the bio. One of the main devices that is powering my smart home is one you probably have heard of, and its name is Alexa. And I whisper that because she's very sensitive. She sits right there. Basically, I tell her what I want her to do, and she does it. And she has no feelings. Her feelings never get hurt. Right over here is my happy smiley face neon light. I connected it to a Leviton smart plug right down here, and I programmed that to connect to my Wink device, and my Wink device then talks to Alexa. I could say, Alexa, turn off neon. And then I can go, Alexa, turn on neon.
Okay.
And there you go. You can connect any appliance to it and it will work. So if you have like an air conditioning unit in your apartment and you want the air to turn on before you come home, you can log onto your Wink app and actually turn on the air conditioner remotely. Other than that, I have Hue and LIFX. They both have their pros and cons. I have another video that you can totally check out, basically weighing which one you should buy. Right over here, I have a LIFX light, and then I have my Hue light strips over here. The cool thing about the Hue light strips is that right on my phone, it connects to the Apple Home, and I have my kitchen lights right here where I can slide up and down the brightness, and I could also go to color and choose different colors. Hue's light strips, they're kind of expensive, but you get these really great lights, and I also can talk to Siri. Hey Siri, change the kitchen lights to green.
Green, it is.
And Siri does it, so that's pretty cool. I also have these Hue lights up here. All of these are connected to my smart home as well. So what I can do is, I can connect that smart outlet over there with my LIFX lights and my Hue lights, and they can all connect to my lights. And I can do this. Alexa, turn off home lights.
Okay.
And of course, it didn't turn off my living room light. But I mean, with technology, there's always issues. The LIFX bulbs are very temperamental, and I've started to transition to Hue myself because they're just more consistent and reliable. The cool thing about this is that I've connected my Logitech Harmony remote with my receiver, and then that all connects to my Amazon Alexa. So I could do things like, oops, she's already ready for me to say something. Alexa, turn on Apple TV.
Okay.
And then what she's gonna do is she's gonna talk to the Logitech remote, which will turn on my receiver, turns on the Apple TV, and it will also turn on the TV. And then there you go, this is my Apple TV in 3, 2, 1. Alexa, turn on the speakers.
Okay.
And then she's gonna play the whatever's. Yeah, she'll play whatever was last on my phone, and I did not do that on purpose. No, I didn't. I have an Alexa out there, and I also have an Echo in here. I need to whisper. Echo, turn on bedroom lights. There's my bedroom lights. So I have 2 LIFX bulbs right in those lamps. And then down here, I have more LED lights. The great thing about these lights are they're only $18, and I made them smart lights by connecting them to the same kind of outlet that I had out there, the Leviton outlet. So for 35 bucks plus 18, I have a smart light. And then they also have this cute little remote right here that I can change the colors. I do have to get down because the sensor's down there. Well, I hope you liked the tour of my smart home. If you have any questions about the gadgets or want me to do a specific video on any of the gadgets in general, I can do that because I can literally talk about these things for hours. Oh, well, hello there, YouTube. Come on into my new smart home. I just moved, so it's my second smart home. This video is all about remote buttons and switches around my smart home that you can get to make your life way easier and way smarter. A lot of people out there are saying, why do you need Alexa? The reason is because I don't want to move, But if I'm okay with moving or if I have a remote with me, then I'll use that. I will have all of the links to these products, the best deals I've found, in the bio down below. So let's come right over here to my power station. So what we have right here is, you may not recognize it, but this is a light switch. We do not touch these. In fact, I should put some tape over those. What we do use though is this right here, and this is the Philips Hue light dimmer switch. This thing is so great. This alone is $25, but you could also get it for $35 with a light bulb. I can control up to 10 light bulbs just with this. Turning them on, off, dimming them. Great device and super cheap for what it does. And if you're in the Philips Hue family, this is like a no-brainer. I would probably have 5 of these if I had more Hue lights around my house or a bigger house. One day, YouTube, one day, a device that I just got and I am in love with is the Logitech pop button. I actually put Velcro on it. That way I can kind of pop it off, pun intended. For the starter pack, it's $57. The starter pack includes the bridge for the device, and to just get a button, it's $40. As a smart home liver and builder and creator, I'm always looking for a device that connects all of my smart devices, and this is it. I can either tap it once, tap it twice, or do a long tap, giving me 3 different abilities. If I tap it once, it turns on all my lights. If I do a long press, it turns on party mode. And what that does is it completely transforms my entire apartment. It turns on my LIFX lights into colored light bulbs. Also, right over here, I have my neon smiley face. That turns on with a Wemo smart outlet. It sets my living room lights and my kitchen lights to dim, and it turns on music. And so whenever I'm gonna have friends over, I just long press that. I actually haven't had many friends over since I've gotten that device. Soon I will. So when I have friends, and then when I have those friends over, I'm going to put party mode on. One day, YouTube, one day. All I have to do to turn this off so that's party mode, and I freaking love it. This next device is one of my favorite devices. It is the Logitech Harmony Remote. And what I love about it so much is that it controls my complete entertainment system as well as all of my lights. It has a few different buttons right here that control my Apple TV, my Nintendo Switch, my speakers. So if I want to watch a movie on Apple TV, all I do is press this movie button right here, and it turns on my receiver, turns on my Apple TV, and it will turn on my TV. And then I can watch a movie. Then if I want to turn it off, I just click this off button and it turns everything off. I can change the light setup I want. So this light right here, it's connected to this. So if I don't even want that on, I can turn it off. If I do want it on, but I want to dim it a little bit, I can just dim it down right there. And then I can turn this light off because it's a little too bright for the movie. And I'm gonna turn my kitchen lights off too. And then that one, and then that one, and then that one, and then another light bulb. And then we go to the club, and then we go out, and another one. The Logitech Harmony Remote, it is so worth it if you have a system or a setup that will fully utilize its potential. It's sleek, light, and really comfortable in your hands. Who doesn't like something that's comfortable in their hands? Next. So, let's wait right there. So, welcome to my bedroom, the one and only Justin Tech bedroom. Come on in. I have this brand new pop button that I showed you over there, but this is the gray version. If I tap it once, it will turn my lights on. If I want to get things done, some spring cleaning, summer cleaning, winter cleaning, I could double tap it, and it goes into like mood lighting when I want to get things done. And then I could hold it down, and it's a nice little night light. Late night Nintendo Switch, some like late night pillow talk, or just like late night nap time. Get out of here. So there's your tease in switches, remotes, and buttons around a smart home. What basically I've done so far. I have a lot more to do. Make sure to subscribe down below to stay up to date with all of my tech videos, and follow me on Instagram. I'm doing a lot of fun stuff on there, and you should check it out. Lots of good deals. Until next time, see you later. How about that? Catch me outside.